Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB All Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using DSA in Python, and I hope you understand that all projects which we have done here using DSA in Python. So today we are just building an amazing project here using Python in artificial intelligence, and today I will be telling you that how we can just build an amazing billing system using Python in artificial intelligence. Previously on we have just built the billing software. So today I will be telling you that how we can just build a billing system. You can use this billing system in your many of the management systems work. Like if you are having your own hotel, so you can just use that billing system there. If you are having restaurant, you can use this billing system there. Means there are many various areas where you can use this billing system. So I hope you'll be understanding this is really helpful billing system, because when you made it one time, so it will be giving you help in your business when you are means when you are starting any business, and if you want any billing system, so you can use this billing system. You don't need to you don't need to take any staff, or you don't have to give money to staff to put that. You should make this billing system. You should make your own billing system by your own self, which will be giving you help in every business when you will be just working with. So I hope you'll be understanding this video here of billing system. So if you understand this billing system which we are building using Python in artificial intelligence, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand about these things. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we are just working with this billing system using Python in artificial intelligence. So just like I'm telling you that we have just now, so today we are just working with Python in artificial intelligence, and I've telling you that today we are just working with our project here, and today we are building an amazing billing system using Python in artificial intelligence. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we are building this billing system and what are the things included in this billing system which we are building. So for building this amazing billing system using Python in artificial intelligence, we have to open VS Code, which I have already opened. Now just I will be opening my folder here from my desktop, because you all know that my just folder name was billing system. So I've just written hotel billing system. You can put any other name as well. Like if you are if you are building billing system for restaurants, so you can just write here restaurant billing system. If you are building it for hospital, so you can write hospital billing system. Means there are many other various you can say jobs where you can use this billing system, and you can put the name of your own job which you are working with. So this is our main file here of our Python artificial intelligence. I'll be building all the codes, and I'll be writing all the codes in this main file. So this is my main file here. I will be erasing things from here because I will be not needing these all stuff from here. Then after erasing all these things, I will be pressing Ctrl V to close side panel. Then I will be saving this file, and we have to start our main codes which we are building through Python in artificial intelligence. So for working with this here, we have to first of all start with the things here. So I will be now importing Tkinter from here. So I will be now writing here import Tkinter, because first of all we have to just work with Tkinter. We are using Tkinter in this project here. So I will be writing here from Tkinter import. Then I will be writing this hashtag. Then you have to write here from Tkinter again. Then I will be now writing here import TTK, which is used in the root file when we are building that. Then again I will be writing Tkinter dot message box this time. After writing this message box, here you have to now just give a space right here s, and then I will be now just writing here tm sg, means tm message. Then I will be writing here import os. Then I will be writing import time. After importing this, here you have to now write here import menu category. In menu category I will be writing tea, so I will be writing here tea and coffee like this. So here I will be now writing this. Then after writing this, here you have to now just write here beverages. So here I will be writing. Then after writing here, you have to now write fast food. So here I will be writing this. Then after writing here, you have to now just write here like here I will be writing South Indian. So you can just put many of the food names here which you want to write. Then write here starters. After writing starters, you have to write here main course. So here I will be now writing this. Means these are the menus here for this you can say hotel which we are just building. Then I will be writing here dessert. Then when you've written this, here you have to just move down, right here menu. Then I will be now just writing here category, and then you have to now just write here diff is equals to, and then you have to now just write here tea and coffee like this again, and write here this thing. Then after writing this, you have to now just do one thing. You have to make this tag. Then I will be now writing here one tea and coffee like this. And after writing this thing, you have to write here dot txt, and here you have to write comma, write here beverages, and then you have to now write here 2. After writing here, you have to give a space, and then write here beverages dot txt. Then you have to write here comma, Then after writing comma, here you have to now just write a tag which will be like this thing. Then I will be doing one thing, I will be writing here curly bracket, then here as well. I will be doing one thing, erasing this close curly bracket from here. Then I will be writing here fast food like this. After writing fast food, here you have to now just write here 3 fast food, and then I will be now just writing here .txt. Then you have to write here South Indian. So here I will be now writing here South Indian like this, and then you have to write here comma. After writing here, you have to now just do one thing, like I will be just writing here a tag, like I will be closing this thing here like this. Then I will be making the tag here as well. After building this tag, here you have to now just do one thing, here I will be moving, then I will be now just moving in this tag, and you can see we have just written this thing here directly. After writing this, you have to write this colon here like in the center. After writing colon, you have to write 4th South Indian like this, then write here txt. Then you have to write here comma and move down, right here starters like this. Then you have to now just write here 5 starters. Then I will be writing here txt. Then you have to write here comma, write here main course like this, and then you have to now just write here 6 main course. So here I will be now writing .txt. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to move down, write here desert. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now just make this tag, right here 7 desert. Then I will be writing .txt. Then when you've written this, here you have to now write order underscore dict is equals to, make this curly bracket, right here for I in menu category. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write here order underscore dict. Then you have to now write here I tag is equals to, move down, right here os dot child. Then I will be now writing ch either os path. So I will be writing os path dot dir name. So here I will be now writing dir name. Then I will be now writing os path dot. Then I will be writing abs path. Then here I will be writing underscore file and underscore. Then when you've written this, here you have to write def load main. So I will be writing here. Then you have to move down after this colon. After writing this, you have to write here menu category. Then when you've written this, here I will be making this bracket, and then before this I will be writing set tag, make this bracket, or you can say colon. Then I will be writing menu table. Then here you have to write dot delete. Then make this bracket here, and here I will be now making this tag, right here menu table. Then you have to now just write here underscore first of all. Then I will be writing here table. Then you have to write here dot get underscore children, and then you have to close this. After writing, you have to write here menu file list like this. Then you have to write os listed. So here I will be writing, then write here menu. Then you have to just move down. Then here I will be writing for file in. Then here I will be writing menu file. Here I will be writing here list like this. Then here you have to move down. After moving down, write here f is equals to open. Then you have to write here menu slash. So here I will be now writing slash like this, or you can say backslash. Then I will be writing here plus file and right here r. Here you have to now write category, and then you have to make this tag, right here while true like this. Then you have to now write here line is equals to f read line. Then make this bracket here, and after writing this, you have to write if line is equals to, and then you have to make this colon after this tag. Then write here menu underscore table. Then you have to write here insert, and then you have to now just write this value. Here I will be now writing and comma values. Then you have to make this tag here after this is equals to. Then I will be making this colon, and then here you have to now just make this tag. After writing this, you have to write here break, and after writing break, here you have to move down, and then I will be writing here elif, and then you have to now write here line underscore, then write here backslash n. After writing this backslash n, you have to just move here, and then I will be writing here continue, and then you have to just do one thing. Here I will be writing elif, then I will be now writing line is equals to backslash n again, or you can say here I will be now just writing line. This time I will be writing 0, then is equals to, make this hashtag. So I will be writing single quote, then hashtag. Then you have to write here category. So I will be writing here category is equals to line. Then you have to write here 1 comma dash minus 1. Then when you've written this, you have to write here name is equals to backslash t here. Then you have to write here plus line. Then you have to now write this tag and then minus 1. After writing this, you have to write here price is equals to, make this colon. Then write here elif line and then square bracket 0. Right here is equals to, then write this tag here by pressing it with the shift here. Then I will be writing name line, and write this colon 1. And after writing this, you have to write this minus, and here I will be now writing price is equals to like this, and write there else statement name is equals to line, and here I will be now writing line, and in line I will be writing r find, and in r find I will be writing this tag like this. After writing this, you have to now just write price is equals to, then I will be now writing here line, right here line, and then right here r find, then I will be now making this tag right here plus, and then I will be writing here 1 minus 3. Then when you've written this, here you have to write menu underscore table, here you have to write dot insert. After writing insert, you have to now just write the end values here, so I will be writing end comma values. After writing this values, here you have to write name comma price category, so here I will be now writing this category here. Then you have to just move down after this tag, and then I will be now just doing one thing, I will be writing load order. So here I will be now writing, make this bracket move down, right here order underscore table, and then you have to now write here delete. Then you have to now just write this hashtag right here order underscore, then I will be writing here table. Here you have to write get underscore children like this, then make this bracket here, right here for category. So here I will be now writing for category in order underscore dict, then I will be now writing here keys. Make this bracket here, then you have to write here if order, then I will be now writing dict category. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now just move down after this tag, right here a tag which will be like for list in, then here I will be now just moving here, and then right here order underscore dict, then I will be making this tag here. After writing this, I will be writing here category, then you have to now write here values, make this bracket, then move down. After writing, you have to write here order underscore table dot insert, make this colon here, then you have to now just write the end values like this, right here list. Then after writing this value, here you have to now just write there update, and after writing the update value, here you have to write total underscore price, then you have to now make this bracket here, and then you have to now just write here def add button, and then you have to now just write here operation, make this bracket here, and then you have to write this colon and move down. After writing this tag, you have to write here name is equals to item name, then you have to make this bracket, and before that I will be writing here dot get. Then you have to just now move down, right here rate is equals to item rate, then I will be writing dot get, then you have to write here category, and after writing category you have to write is equals to item category, then you have to make this tag here, but before that you have to write here get. Now you have to write there quantity value is equals to item, and then I will be writing here quantity dot get, make this bracket, and write here if name in order dict, then I will be writing here category, and then you have to write here dot keys, make this bracket, then you have to write here tmsg like this, then I will be writing here dot show info, make this bracket, right here error comma, then I will be writing item already, then I will be writing exist in your, then I will be writing here order. Now you have to just write here return value. After writing the return value, here you have to write if not quantity like this, then I'll be writing is digit, make this bracket, then move down, right here tmsg, then I will be writing here dot show info. So here I will be now writing this, right here error, and then I will be now writing here please enter, then I will be writing here valid quantity. So here I will be now writing this, then I will be writing here return like this return value, then right here list value. So here I will be writing list is equals to, then I will be now writing here name comma rate comma, then I will be writing here quantity. Then you have to just do one thing, here I will be moving after this quantity tag, right here str init rate, then I will be now just writing here this bracket, and then right here init. After writing the init value, you have to just now write here quantity. After writing this quantity, here you have to close this and write here category, and after writing this category, you have to write here order underscore dict, then make this bracket here, and then here I will be now writing category like this. After writing category, you have to write here name, then when you've written this name, here you have to close this tag, and then you have to close the category tag here. After closing this, you have to write here list, right here load order, and then you have to close this bracket. After doing these all things, you have to just move at the top and you have to save this. So you can see we have just saved this all thing here. Then I will be raising this Python variables which is written because we will be not needing. Then from here as well because we will be not needing this. Save it here directly. After saving you have to run this. So for running I will be moving to my command prompt. After moving to command prompt, our file was on downloads. Then I will be writing the cd folder name. So I will be moving on to my downloads. This was my folder name here which I have opened through my downloads here. And then I will be copying this folder name, pasting it here, press enter, cd. In this folder we are getting again another one folder which is named as Guy for Hotel. So I will be renaming this and I will be copying this folder name as well. Then cd is the folder name. Here I will be writing main.py. Now when you just press this, so it will be just giving the main file here of your folder. So you can see this is the main file, this is the menu records, and this is the build records which we are getting here. So you can see like this we can just use. So this is the main file which we are just getting in this folder here. So here you have to now just write your main file name. So here my main file name is main.py. When you will be pressing, so your file will be opened. You can see like this, it will be giving you open file. So from Tkinter, when your file will be open, it will be showing you the message box text which we have written and all the beverages thing which you have just covered in that. So if I just show you, you can see these are the things which it is showing me. So I will be moving on to this picture and you can see like this, I put these all images in this which we are getting here. You can see these are the things which it is showing, means the data which we have just put in our you can say which the data which we have just put here in our billing system has been just covered. Here you can see these are the billing system bill amounts which he have just added. You can see it has been added in this notepad file. So like this, here you can just build this amazing project here of like this. You can just build this amazing project of billing system. I hope you understand how we have built this amazing billing system and how to save this billing system using Python in artificial intelligence. I hope you understand this project. So if you have understand this project of billing system using Python in artificial intelligence, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how to build this amazing project using these all amazing languages. And I'll be bringing up more videos like that, and I hope that will be giving you help as well. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using these all amazing languages. So for today, goodbye.